Snowtex is one of the renowned export-oriented, diversified and integrated apparel manufacturer in Bangladesh, mastering the trade for the last 20 years. Snowtex came to its existence in the year 1998 as a buying house. The confidence earned resulted in a joint venture and the Snowtex Apparel Limited in 2005. The strong and steady leadership resulted in the second factory, Cut & Sew, in 2008. With the pace of modern manufacturing, it's built a green lead factory as Snowtex Outerwear Limited with Gold Standard LEED certification. Our commitment and standard to our valued customer has necessitated the development of the fourth green garments manufacturing industry as Snowtex Sportswear Limited that is going to start its operation in the first quarter of 2019. Now Snowtex is a family of more than 11,000 dynamic members and it will cross 18,000 in 2020 with more than 11,000Using of 0% CFC-based VRF air conditioning system reduce the ozone depletion that lead to global warming. The 45 kilowatt on-grid solar power can avoid the carbon emission approximately by 120 kg per day. The advanced water treatment plant purifies the water to provide hygienic drinking water for all occupants. It has its own lab where HAB has the facility to inspect and test every item of the garments as well as cooked foods prior to serving to our partners. And fabric and accessories are inspected here before storage in the store. Each and every section of factory like cutting, sewing, finishing, printing, embroidery, sample, CAD and quilting has been well equipped by branded machineries. 75,000 square feet vast, organized warehouse can be used for large amount of fabric, accessories, certification like RAP, WCA, BSCI, SEDEX, GSV, CTPAT, Decathlon, OCS, Oikotex, RDS, RFID, Accord and Alliance, LEED Gold Certificate by the US Green Building Council, Good Practice Award by ILO. Are prepared in the hygienic kitchen and hygienic sanitary napkin with subsidy are served to consider health safety of our female employees. Monthly magazine is published directly participated by our employees from all level. Snowtex also endorse some good practices like skill development training for staff and worker, sports and co-curricular activities for all. New innovation by employees is highly appreciated here with esteem, honor and rewards. All is equal is a loving belief of Snowtex. It considers all in same honor. So on, enjoy same lunch from top to bottom in same place.